we have been associated with digital board for some time now, and after getting the support from them, we have observed that more people are able to reach to us. Their services have been very good, and regular updates are there from them, and they have been doing very well in connecting us to the parents and students, and they have really done well in the area which we were expecting them to do. Thank you.